Yep, so I lost all the audio, or most of the audio, but what I'm saying here, I think, is that welcome, I'm gonna build this area into a home office / workshop space, and we'll be mostly using these pre-cut pine boards. Yeah, so here I'm also saying that this is going to be a 3 or 4 step process. Okay, let's start. The reason for using these pine boards are because they are cheap and they are pre-cut, because I'm tired of cutting down large sheets of ply. Okay, so here I'm saying that I'm going to make shelves that are interlocking. So I just need to cut out some tracks in each one of them. And to do that, I'm going to use this jig that I quickly, maybe a bit too quickly, put together. Quite easy, just line it up to the edge, clamp it down, make a cut. And then scooch it over to the next marking, and then repeat. This jig didn't work as good as intended. It was a bit unsteady. I also set it up wrong, so I made 2 long cuts, but we'll fix that later. So, next iteration, I'll make these tracks here that will perfectly fit the board. This guide, much better. No need to clamp really, and just screw them down into the parallel tracks. Next time, I'll watch some YouTube videos before I try this. Okay. Let's get cutting. And here I'm trying to explain that the ending of the groove is round, so need to cut it out with the jigsaw and some sandpaper and some filing. Also, here I'm cutting the already cut part with the table saw, and this is because of the... let me show you. This thing needs to be accommodated for, because I want the front of the shelving to be flush. And here I'm trying to say that I cut this part wrong. Not only once, and not only 2, but 3 times. So, yeah. And here I don't really remember what I said. I think maybe I said something that I started to put it all together with upside down, then I had to try to wrangle it around to put it back in the right place. A bit unsure. Let's just continue watching me hammering this all into place. Somehow I was able to cut the top part a bit longer than the rest of the shelvings, so we need to fix it. Bought all that from a flea market. I'm just gonna place fluorescent tubes with some lead ones. I need a bit of a storage system for the shelvings. Little I try to have custom spaces for every object, but I never put them back in the correct spot, so everything turns to a mess. So now I'm just gonna put things into these round containers. Just jam in there, and we'll see. I made a lot of iterations too when I tried to figure out this system. I did end up with making these 3 parts. That will be my storage system. A small container, large container, and a long, jaggedy, cool container. I will be fixing this troublesome piece. I just don't have materials at hand right now, so later I will also make longer support for the boxes and another shelf here, but that's also for later. Last thing that I'm saving for later is to repaint this wall later. Okay, all done. Yeah, it's kind of fun that I managed to save some audio from the filming, but what I'm saying here is that I was done, but then I happened to stumble across my old architectural drawing lamp. This thing is a beast, it's awesome, it makes a ton of light and it's super, what do you call it, it's super even. So, we're not really done, we're done now. Yeah, then we're done, for real. At least that's what I'm trying to remember what I said, but yeah, we're done. Great space, love the lamp. Hope you're watching. I'm probably saying something about you should subscribe and like and share if you want to support me. That's awesome. Remember, this is just the first video of me revamping this area into a home office thingy. I'm thinking about maybe 4 videos, and one is gonna be super cool at least. Okay, see you later. Thanks. Bye. Woo.